If your Minka Aire ceiling fan remote suddenly stops working, don't rush to buy a replacement. In most cases, the problem is simple and can be fixed in just a few minutes with basic troubleshooting. Start with the batteries. Since weak or dead batteries are the number one cause of remote failure, replace them with fresh ones and make sure they're installed correctly. Next, power cycle the fan by turning off the circuit breaker for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turning it back on. This resets the fan's electrical system and often restores remote response. After restoring power, reset the remote connection. Within 1 minute, point the remote at the fan and press and hold the stop button for 3 to 5 seconds until the fan responds. If the remote still doesn't work, check for frequency interference, especially if you have multiple ceiling fans nearby. Look for DIP switches inside the remote and the fan's receiver and make sure they match. Also, consider alternative controls. Many newer Minka Air fans support smartphone app control. If your issue includes flickering lights, confirm you're using LED-compatible bulbs, as incompatible bulbs can cause control problems. If none of these steps work, the issue is often the receiver unit inside the fan canopy. The receiver is what actually processes remote commands, so replacing the remote alone won't help if the receiver is faulty. Check for loose wiring first, and if the receiver is bad, replacement or professional service may be required.